Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use Luma AI to create videos with images. Let's open the platform. First, we're going to create a new board. And now we're going to select our image. Remember that you have to set up the model to RAY3. If you have it in RAY2, you can also check if how many iterations do you want or the quality. And like I said to you, it's not a very cheap model, but it's the best quality that you're going to get regard the output, because most models they just give you a very light version, a very compressed video. So let's just start by getting one of our images, and this time we're just going to do a prompt, and it's going to be a very easy prompt, the 3 characters. And if you have Grammarly, it helps you to write it well. I recommend you to install that plugin. And I'm going to be giving it a little bit more detail. They are talking to each other while they're walking. You can also do the prompts in different languages. I've done some tests, and it seems that it detects the language. I'm not sure how many languages you can use, but so far I've been doing prompts in English and also in Spanish. We already spending 160 credits for this image, and it's not the best output because I'm going to be drafting, and we already have a first render, and as you can see, it's very cool. Just by the end of it, there was a bit of morphing there, but I like it, so I can continue with another image. And I created these images in Weavy using Gemini 4 and Gemini 2.5 Flash Nano Banana. And I'm also going to upload this, and I'm just going to put a very, very simple camera movement. I'm going to also add some more detail in the background, while in the background there are people working. Also check that I'm using the lowest resolution for RAY3. This will help us to reduce costs when we're generating the first draft. And the final prompt was: the camera slowly orbits while there are 3 cat characters. Observe the surroundings, while in the background there are some distant cat men working with a mechanical crane. And as you can see, it's already working. And I'm going to select another image while still rendering. Now the 3 cat characters, I'm trying to always say to the model what it is that it's seeing, because it will help to keep continuity. Now we see that the render is already done, the other one, and it's almost done with the third one. And as you can see, it just gets the binoculars from its jacket and starts looking the surroundings, and the other ones are also observing the surroundings of the museum. Kind of gives you this idea of they're planning the heist. So the final prompt is 3 anchor cats reporting the news. The camera does a slow dolly out, revealing an old TV in a gas station and people watching the TV sitting down. So we're just gonna wait for a few minutes and we can work another one. This is kind of a flashback. In this sequence, we have spent less than 1,000 credits, so that's fairly good. And if, as you can see, you don't need to do several iterations. It's quite good at understanding what you want. These models are improving exponentially, and I remember that when we used to start doing a project, you will have to do like at least 10 or 15 prompts in order to get what you want. Now you just have to do it one or twice. And also the prompts have become fairly easy to do because there used to be like very detailed, and now you can just give like a very simple and straightforward command. And now this is great. It's a bit weird because it's kind of in movement, as if it was some kind of a train. Maybe we can establish that with an outside shot of this, because right now you don't understand why they're moving. But all of the other shots, I think they have been going very well, and we can already do something with these images, like edit them and do like a small 15-second clip. But we are going to do a whole short film with this, and this is the first step, to animate images, and then we're going to create the sound effects for these images. And well, I will show you the whole process. So I think this is enough for today. I'm going to extend this image, and if you would like to see the next video, keep tuned, and I'll be doing sound effects inside Luma and continue doing prompts. So if you want to catch that series, please consider subscribing, give this a like. And if you want to use Luma if you want to use Luma, please use the link that is on the description. By using that link, you help the channel. See you in the next one. Peace.